Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y, and let me share with you how to change voicemail notification sound on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, and here we have to tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on the voicemail and tap on notifications. And as you can see here, we've got the sound section, so simply tap on it. We've got set a default notification sound, but as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed options from which we can choose. We can set none, so your device won't notify you about the voicemail notification. And we've got also add notification, so you will be able to set your own sound, for example, download it from the internet. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it. And if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that this option you'd like to set is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone, the chosen sound, to notify you about the voicemail messages. So actually this is it. This is how to change voicemail notification sound in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.